Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews on beauty and skincare and all that fun stuff. So today I have Clever, and Clever I've kind of got a beef with. Who do I not have a beef with right now? Like, my goodness. Okay, so last month they charged me for 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes are still in transit. So when September rolled around, I emailed them and was like, cancel this thing if you can't get my 2 boxes to me, because you already charged me twice and I want my boxes to get here. So they need to give me my money back, and it just seems like these boxes, like it keeps showing them like they're supposed to be like in New Jersey now. So I don't know. I don't know. But Clever is, for some reason, I get a lot of views on Clever. And it is good makeup. So I don't know. Well, let's see what September has to offer, and we'll just see if it's going to be a cancel or a keep. Because that's where everything's heading right now. It's going to be a cancel or it's going to be a keep. So, all right, let's unbox this. Okay, so is that not adorable? So it's a beauty sponge, and oh my gosh, I love it. Wow. See, Clever is not a bad box. And the only bad thing about Clever is the shipping, and it's because it comes from Hong Kong, or like it's far, far away. I know that it reaches Hong Kong at some point because I see it on the map. So I don't know the exact spot that it comes from, but Hong Kong is a stop along the way. Okay. So is that not absolutely just adorable? Like, yeah. So I will probably give that to my daughter because I don't use sponges that much, but that is definitely like a cute little thing to put on your vanity. Okay, so next is Mini Star Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter. Nice. I'm liking this. I'm liking the packaging very much so. Okay, so let's go ahead and dab a little, because I'm needing a new highlighter now that Miss Thang has like, I loved Charlotte's highlighter, and I would always put it right here, and that's not looking bad. Little glow up. So yeah, I like that. I love that packaging. That's really pretty. Okay. So next we have a brow wax pencil. I'm not going to open this because I don't do my brows, and I would rather just put that in a giveaway. Speaking of, we will be having, just watch till the end and we'll discuss. Okay, wow, this is a good box. Magic Professional Cosmetics in black. I have a knife here, and I don't know why I don't set it right beside me whenever I start doing my videos. Sometimes I'll like see it in my sea of things. And you guys let me know, do you like this background? I know you like the other background, but I felt like it was getting like old, or this is going to be my October background because it's spooky. So I don't want you to get burnt out on it. All right. Ooh. Okay. So you got this and you got this. So that in itself is freaking awesome. Wow. Okay. I'm scared to even like yeah, I'm not even going to try that cuz that is not my lane, but yeah, that will be definitely giveaway, but that looks really cool. That brush looks really really cool. And I'm sorry, like it's after work. I'm a little bit tired, but I wanted to get my videos out today. I didn't want to get too far behind, and I've still got stuff that is coming. So, yeah. All right. So next we have Matte Lasting, and that is from Poudiere, which we've seen quite a bit from Clever. Okay, so it's a lippy. I'm not gonna, I mean, I'll open it, but I'm not gonna put it on or, yeah. Just a pink. So that will go into giveaway. All right, next we have, okay, lengthening wait, XPTTEE. I can't even, I don't know. Lasting eyelash to cream. Charm. Okay, strong black, abundant long roll mascara. Gives lashes a lustrous shine. So, I don't know. It has a lot of other words on there, but Expity, Welligal. I guess that just means lengthening in another language. And it's QIC, waterproof mascara lengthening. So, packaging is pretty. I don't know what it is about Clever. The stuff is usually, the packaging is usually really, really spot on. I just don't know what cream to, whoa, okay. Whoa. Did y'all see? Yeah, okay, you see that, don't you? Okay. I don't know about that. That looks weird. Like that, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I'm going to have to research that because I don't know what cream to mascara means. So, and inside it says Seduce QIC mascara. I don't know. Okay. All right. Next, we have La Chava Rose Essence Blush. So it is, like, it is hot in my house today. I'm burning up. Okay, come on. All right. I think my fingernail just broke off. It did. Good grief. Oh, okay. Ooh, look at that. So, wow. La Chava. I'm pretty sure we've seen this before. So let's go ahead and try it. Like I put a little tiny bit of color on before I started making this. Because like I said, like this is after work, Tara. This is, oh my God. What? Oh my God. No, what is happening? No. Oh my God. Okay, let's just keep rubbing. Oh my God. What just happened? Oh my God. I swear, only me, man. Only me. I should have known better than that. Wow. I'm not going to edit that either. Like, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like, I just, like, wow. Ugh. I should have known better than to just. I mean, really though, like it was just a few drops. Oh my gosh, and it is drying. Like, okay. Oh my god. Wow, that was crazy. Wow. So a little bit of that goes a very long way. My gosh, wow. Um, okay, so I think I have one more thing left, thank God. Yeah. So last but not least, we have palettes. I hope I don't look like a crazy person right now. I feel like I do. Okay, so this is Dream Meteor Break Visual Boundary. Silky texture. 7 brand new shades. So yeah, Dream Meteor. Oh my gosh, I can't tell what that says. It's something eyeshadow. Oh, Tutti Frutti eyeshadow palette. New Tutti Frutti eyeshadow palette. Dream Meteor. Interesting. I've never heard of this brand before. So, all right. Oh, okay. So it opens like that. And I'm not going to touch that. This will be given away. So those are pretty colors though. Okay. So I'm going to end it there because I feel like it would be a good time to end. But I have to talk about the giveaway. So the giveaway, okay, please like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the notification bell, do all of the things. So we are surpassed 150. So I'm going to do a quiz. You guys are in a couple of days. I'm going to come up with 2 or 3 questions. They're going to be easy, but they're going to be about me, my videos, you know, things that have happened. I want to know that you guys have been watching. I don't want you to just like subscribe and, you know, you like, I've got some really faithful people. So I want to make sure that, you know, but I mean, I want everybody to have a chance, but I mean, I guess probably what I should do is maybe something for my faithful viewers, and then like, I don't know, like I thought that I had this already worked out, but you know me, I'm kind of a crazy person. Like, we're going to do a quiz, and yeah, so just brush up on your Truly Tara. So, all right, that's going to be it. I'm going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next, and bye.